Hi, it's Brenda and Brenda's Stamping Pad, and I am just popping on live just for the heck of it. Happy Father's Day for those who have fathers and who are fathers, but Mike's out, so I thought I would do something. I got the paper pumpkin. And so I just wanted to do an unboxing of this paper pumpkin. Look at the colors, it's beautiful. So I am going to just go ahead and do this unboxing. And hi Sheila, how are you? And I didn't even think to put this anywhere, so maybe I should put it somewhere. Let's see, oops, I don't know what I'm doing. My face is too far away, it says. Okay, maybe I will do this. So, got the paper pumpkin, and I would like to do the unboxing. I've never done an unboxing, so I am good. I'm good. I'm in my she shed, trying to stay warm, cool, and because we know it's not too bad, 82 out, and it's not raining, so that's good. Are you having a good day today? I want to see if I can find this on my, what do you call it? My iPad, so that I can, and so I can do this sharing thing, which, let's see if I can get it to the group. There's my group. Yay, yay, yay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my news feed. Oh, yeah, it is hot in Oklahoma. Are you getting did you get the rain that we got from Charlotte? The tropical storm Charlotte. You bought a new pair of shorts. Good. We all need shorts, right? So anyway, I love the paper pumpkin, and I was surprised to get it on a Sunday. So I am gonna go ahead and, oh, you didn't get any rain here. We got quite a lot of wind. I lost a bench off my new dock, new everything, and I've already lost a bench. So not wanting to go any further there. So, ooh, don't want to do that. Alrighty. So, alright, I'm going to go ahead and flip my camera so that I can do the unboxing. And I know I'm not camera ready. You got to know that this is how we are every day, right? So, here we go. Flipping. And close your eyes. And I'm going down. Hopefully, ooh, this seems a little too low. Let's see, I'll tighten these up. Ooh. Let's see how that looks. No, I don't think that looks good at all, does it? Let's see if I can get this in the right place. I'm sorry for the camera machine mechanisms there. So let's see if I got this right now. So, doesn't look like I'm still where I want to be. I guess I'll just keep moving until I'm where I want to be. Alright, so I am where I want to be now. Alrighty, so paper pumpkin unboxing. And if you're watching live, you see the little red live up on top. If not, you're watching the replay, which is perfectly okay. And I'm happy that you're watching the replay. but give me a shout out to say hi. So with the paper pumpkin, you will get, they usually give you the colors that they're working with, and this is Evening Evergreen and Bumblebee. So we have the little spots there. They send you you get the stamping stamps, and this says thanks for everything. Beautiful. We have this Expressions of Ink. Here with me. And now he's wanting out. I was going to see if I had this paper, and I thought I did. This Expressions of Ink is such a pretty paper. But of course, I'm not seeing it. But anyway, it is very pretty. It's in the catalog. So, as you can see, never opened. I haven't seen what this is going to look like, so kind of excited. We're opening it up, and here's our kit. And let me see. Oh, so we're going to have 9 cards in the Expressions in Color set. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. I'm going to move the box aside and grab something so that I can open this up. Here we go. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Oh, wow. Look at this. Look at these vellum pieces. Big words of thanks. See the flower? Look at that flower. Pretty flower in vellum. Wow. So that's nice in vellum. They always give you glue dots for glue. Oh. So we have some Evening Evergreen linen thread, and then we have some pretty iridescent looking embellishments, and then they give you even some dimensionals. They always give you envelopes. And so, we're going to make some small cards and some bigger cards. Here's some more of the colors. Look at the colors, and this coordinates with the Expressions in Ink. Look at how pretty that is. Some more vellum. Pretty vellum. Look at those flowers. Oh, look at this. Isn't that pretty? Very, very pretty. Ooh. This is, oh my gosh, by far the most beautiful paper pumpkin we've ever had. Look at these. These are gonna punch out.
Call me?
No. Look, Michael's home. You're gonna take him? Okay. Here we go. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And then some of that. Got that. And then some yellow. Okay, well, what are we gonna do with all this? Let's see. Pretty, pretty, pretty colors. So here's our directions over here. Okay, and so they're gonna show you for number 1 card, number 2 for 1, 2, 3. All right, so we're gonna take this card. Looks like. I'm going to fold this in half. Hi, Donna. How are you? I'm unboxing the paper pumpkin, and this one is by far the prettiest I have ever seen. So I'm going to go ahead and burnish that. And then it looks like it has that big vellum flower on here that they put on here. They use some twine, some of the twine to wrap around, and they'll tell you you want to cut that at 25 inches. And of course, all of my, so the thing about the pumpkin paper pumpkin too is they have, what do you call it? They already have a measurement here. So I can go 0 to 9, 9 and 9 is 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. How many inches was that again? See, Brenda tends to take her glasses off because she's vain and then she can't read. Oh, it's 26 inches. Oh, good. You know, we never did go to Lowe's yesterday. We decided that whatever we had, we were good with. So 26 inches. So it looks like I'm going to wrap this around the card twice and make a bow. So looks like here and here. It's going to be a really small bow. I don't think I measured real well. Yeah, it said 26 inches. Let me see. 1, 2. All right, that was 25 inches, so I was an inch short. So maybe I'll just wrap it around once so that I can have the bow. Got my bow now. I just want to move it to where I want it, kind of towards the side there. I'll pull my edges a little bit, make a pretty bow, right? So, you know, we all make mistakes. So you just learn how to fix them. You just go with it. Then we're going to go ahead and put, where's the vellum piece? There's the vellum piece. And we're going to put this on top. And we're going to use their glue dots that they have here. So I'm going to try to put them on the white pieces so they're not seen so much. This is so pretty with the vellum. Oops. Those pieces off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm gonna put this on here. Move my bow in front. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and put the You're Amazing, You Are Amazing. And I'm going to put that on a block. And your first paper pumpkin comes with a block. So, but I have a block here. You Are Amazing. And we're going to use the Bumblebee. And I already have Bumblebee in my craft room. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use the one I have here rather than open up this little one. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead, Bumblebee, and we're gonna put it on this. And every time I say Bumblebee, I want to jump out into song. Anyone else ever want to do that? I want to be a bumblebee buzzing around your door. And here we go. You are amazing. And we're going to just go ahead and put that right there. And I'm going to use their dimensionals that they give you. Okay. And we're going to just pop that on there. There you go. And I would snip, snip, and there's my first card. You are amazing. And then I would put something on the inside. And, you know, if you wanted to say thanks or congratulations on the inside or whatever other stamps you might have. This is a very pretty set. So that's just one of the 3 cards it makes. Again, here are the others. If you can see them. This is a big thanks in that vellum for everything. Congratulations. And that, oh my goodness, that's going to be with all of those pieces here. That's going to be so pretty with those pieces. And then, and the one I just did, you are amazing. This, I think I did the, well, almost the simple one first. All right. So that's it. I just wanted to do a little bit of the unboxing of the paper pumpkin in this beautiful box. And if you're not a subscriber to Paper Pumpkin and want to, let me know and I will show you, or I'll make sure that under this video, I will show you how you can subscribe to either our monthly, or you can purchase month by month, however you want to do it. But it is a fun way of getting and doing cards without, you know, if you're a beginner stamper or any type of stamper, it's a great way to do some cards and have everything at your fingertips. You don't have to have anything in your craft room. All right. So I thank you, Sheila. I was going to say what's Stampin' Up! Is the one who came up with that. So I am going to turn my phone again. There I go. And just see, I had my glasses on again. And just say, that's it for now. I will go ahead and continue with my schedule that I have planned. And if you are interested in virtual cards, that's also on the schedule. Let me know. Thank you. You guys have a good, happy Father's Day with your families, and we will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.